Former Nairobi Governor Kiambu Sonko was once again before the Kiambu law courts. Under heavy security, the governor was this morning escorted from Nairobi hospital, where he was admitted due to heart problems, according to his team of lawyers. Nurses from the hospital accompanied Sonko to the docks, where they were checking on the governor's blood pressure level after every 15 minutes. Sonko got a reprieve after he was released on a cash bond of 300,000 Kenya shillings or a surety of the same amount. The court said the prosecution failed to convince the court on why Sonko should not be given bail or bond in case where he has been charged with assault.
1. Bond of Kenya shillings 300,000 with a surety of a similar amount. 2. The accused person to cooperate with the investigating officer and heed summons when required by the IO. 3. Parties are at liberty, and again I say this as a court of law, very alive to the fact that our own constitution talks about alternative disputes resolution mechanism.
Chief Magistrate Stella Atambo said Sonko should cooperate with investigative officers and heed to summons where required by the investigative bodies.
The DPP, through Prosecution Counsel on record, has not demonstrated or placed evidence or any material before this court to establish that the accused person is a threat to public order, peace and security, at least not before this court. Bond bail may not be denied on mere speculation and or anticipation of breach of such public order and peace.
From Kiambu Court, the former governor was rushed to Kahawa West Court, where he was to know whether he will be detained for several days to enable police to complete investigations on terror-related charges. Sonko defense argued before Chief Magistrate Diana Mochache that the ex-governor Sonko's condition was worsening and he had to be returned to Nairobi hospital. However, the prosecution requested that the subject be under the security of the ATPU while receiving treatment.
Be escorted back to Nairobi hospital to continue with treatment. Since he is unwell, he cannot run away to anywhere. The letter from the team of cardiologists is, however, very scanty. I would like a detailed report from the said team of doctors about the status of the respondent tomorrow at 10 a.m. However, the respondent will be handed over to the ATPU officers who will escort him to Nairobi hospital, and he's going to be under the guard of the said ATPU officers until when he's ready for his application to proceed. I decline to proceed with the application in the absence of the respondent.
The case is to be heard tomorrow. Abdiaziz, Hashim, Ibru TV.